Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9373. 9373. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. This one has 4 stars. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here only 1 duo box. 1 and 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left and 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Then, my next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, we have a quadra box here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left and 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Oh, I see here another dual box. Overlook this one. Let me put the 1 and the 2 there. Alright, overlook this one. We have only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. Okay. And the last shape, we have here the last shape, the L shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started. Filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left of the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left of the 2 in this cross area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and the 4. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there. If I place the 5 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here in this area. So not a solution to place the 5 there. The 5 should be here. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 or 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. This box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area, supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be there. Well. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then, let me see. 1, 2. Come on. 2 or a 4, we have a 4 here, overlook this 4. So it can't be 4 anymore here. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 and a 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 or a 4, we have a 2 now, so this can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this area is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. One numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. But we have a double 1 there. So this box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the only place left for the 1 is supposed to be here then. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Alright, and now, let me think. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, should be a 5. Alright. Then, let me see. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes in this area are the numbers 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Okay. Well. Come on. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Come on. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Well, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 4, 5. We have a 4 now, so this can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.